Okay, so we're back at it here. Let's take a look and see what we got. Got to stay on top of these charts. And what I found is I went ahead and gone back to the, I believe, 6 hour. So that's about 2 months, I think. So I'm on the Binance charting, the 6 hour, which gives us about 2 months. And if you look, Bitcoin for 2 months, the high was like 69,000, and now we're at a nice pullback at 59,000. Bitcoin Cash, high basically for 2 months, 731, and we're at 578. So Dogecoin, 2 months, high of 34 cents. We're now at 22 cents. Shiba, a high of 4 zeros and an 8 about a month ago, I think. And now we're down to 4 zeros and a 4. Litecoin, 2 month high, 295, and currently at 223. Ethereum, 48.68, 43.73. Ethereum, little Ethereum, 65, and we're now at 51. So this is interesting that it gives you, we're at a 2 month charting on Binance for these coins, and I've hopefully gonna try to find the buys here. And it looks like they're all down to the point where you would say I would enter now, enter or buy now, enter or buy now, enter or buy now. So all of these have pulled back, of course. We're in a pullback, and it looks like a place to buy. This back to Dogecoin. This is live charting. It's Sunday morning, 7:45 a.m. So let's go ahead and go the other way. Let's look at the 1 minute. 1 minute's turning around a little bit, and we're heading higher. So it would be a short-term buy this morning. And the 3 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. So the 15 minute is actually looking good, like it's broken higher. And the let's go to one more. Let's go to a 30 minute. I like it. I like that's just about to break through resistance on the, what they call the TRIX. Put in the TRIX indicator. So what I'm looking for is when the blue line, the VWAP, is down and then turning higher, that would be the buy. When the blue line is on top and flat or coming back down, that would be the sell. Trying to find the sell and the buy points of these cryptos. So like here with Shiba, it's still in a non-entry position, we'll call it non-entry. Hold or buy. Dogecoin. Basically, well, it depends on the time frame. Because if you go to like the 5 minute, you'd say we just had a buy right here. Blue line crossed over the green, so it would be your buy, and we're showing. I just woke up and got on this, so I'm just seeing where we're at. But you would have had a buy about, right in through here. Just 7 o'clock, 45 minutes ago. 7:30, 15 minutes ago. So 15 minutes ago, right now, basically we're Dogecoin. It looks like it's a buy to me with the tricks. Which one is which? No, the VWAP. The VWAP crossing over the tricks. The blue line crossing over, and indicating basically a buy. We'll go to the 3 minute, and there you have the same thing. This shows it at 7:09, and the 1 minute shows the crossover at 7:14. There's 7:09 right here. So basically the same thing. 7 o'clock 09. 7 in the morning was our buy indicator right here. And you would have been buying in at 22.7. And now you're up to 22.9. You go to the 5 minute and the 15 minute, and it is showing a upward trend there. What's going on? So that's an interesting charting pattern I found. I think that could use it for Bitcoin. Basically the same thing. I save these indicators so I can use them again. They're on the settings. Hopefully they'll stay the settings for next time. Ethereum, little Ethereum. Little Ethereum would have been a buy. Would have been a buy. Nearly the same time, 6:45, 7 o'clock, 7:09 is right here. That's when the green line, the VWAP turned higher, flattened out and turned higher. And you would have gotten little Ethereum at 41 cents, and it's at 51.79 now. This is live stuff. It's 7:51, 8 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. So it looks like these indicators have a possibility of being used for buy and sell. So these are all on the 2 month, 2 month here, 2 month. I'm going to leave these on the 2 month just to see the the buys, and Dogecoin were going down to the local time period, one day and 1 minute. So yeah, there's your buy point right here, 7:15, and it's 7:52, so that's about 45 minutes ago was the buy signal. And now we're heading higher. Of course, it's only a small move. Is that a 10th or a 100th of a move? Three-minute shows it. I like the 3-minute here. That shows the crossover at 7:09. Then you can follow the 1 minute to see what it does. And the minute it crosses, I would think when the price breaks below the tricks, the green one, you may want to punch out and sell. As long as it's trending within those two and higher, you could stay in. When it breaks this, see the blue line's flattening out right now. So this would be an example of what you do to sell. Let's see. The blue line is flattening out. The VWAP. And price is probably at resistance there. And now price is breaking. It's powerful tea. So this would be basically, I would say you punch out right here. A short term, if it breaks down. I mean, you gotta watch it a minute and see what it does. I wouldn't be in and out too much, but I like these indicators. Be right back. I gotta get some honey in this tea. So it looks like it held. Looks like it's. You can see the blue line or the VWAP is turning lower, flattening out, and then. But when do you say, okay, I'm going to sell? At what point? That's the 1 minute. So that's about as low as we can go. The 3 minute wouldn't really tell you. The 5 minute wouldn't really tell you when to sell. The 1 minute is the one where you would see your sell. A short-term sell. And it's acting like a short-term sell right now. Maybe I can make that tricks more sensitive so it would flatten out and show the sell. For sure when the blue line crosses over the green, that would be the sell point. I would short-term sell. Like here, well, I guess you have to take into account the whole picture, because right here it crosses over, but it's really not a sell. Here it crosses over, it would be a sell for this part. Here it crosses over. So we're flattening out. 7:59. The live Dogecoin on Binance charting. It's at 22 cents. Trying to figure out when to buy, when to sell. So there you have it. Look at, we just lit up above the VWAP. So it's holding. I would say it's holding. You know, this is where your finger's on the trigger. Do I sell or do I buy? And you're holding here. There you go, green bar. So it held, and it's looks like it's heading higher. So now we should see the blue line head higher. And if you didn't punch out, we're heading higher now. So that was kind of like a period where you'd watch to see if I sell or buy, obviously. And let's go back and look at, what are we at? 19 minutes. Oh boy. Let's go back and look at the 3 minute. Shows it, you know, upward trend. 5 minute shows it upward trend. 15 minute shows it basically breaking out. 30 minute shows it breaking out above the tricks, the green line. 1 hour, not so much. You're close. Going to the 1 hour, when we see it break above the green line, the tricks, and then above all this resistance, which would be about, oh, let's say 23, 24, 24. Then the next resistance should be about 26. So you got resistance here, 23, 24. But currently it's in a nice move up. There you go. So blue line turned higher, stayed in, had the finger on the trigger, didn't sell, and now you're heading higher. And I would suspect the bigger the gap we have here between the blue and the green, the more room, the safer you are to be holding for short term. And as it pulls back and narrows to the green is when you'd want to have your finger on the trigger, hand on the mouse, ready to sell. For like short-term trading, short-term buys, sells. So yeah, it's interesting, it's fun, trying to learn this stuff here. So we're on the 1 minute Binance charting. Sunday morning at 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock California time, West Coast. And we're watching Dogecoin on the Binance charting. And it's at 22 cents. Oh, we're making a nice little move. Now we're moving higher. Just hit 23 cents. So we'll go back to the 15 and you can see that move. 15 shows that move much better. The 30, there you have it. 1 hour, not yet. But we're moving higher on the short term. Volume's coming in, something's going on. So we're making a nice run here. I didn't know how long I'm going to make this video, but boy, it sure is looking good here right now. Yeah, we're moving higher. So the buy would have been this morning at just after 7 o'clock, where the blue line crosses over the green. And you had confirmation of an upward trend here. The 3 minute shows it very pronounced. There's your crossover at 7 o'clock. 12 after 7, and now our upward movement. Wow, we're really moving higher. Looking good. So this was the period right here where we, indecision period, where we thought of selling. We held, had our finger on the trigger, and sure enough, green bar, and it moved higher. So you just, that's what it's all about. You're watching to see what this is fast moving stuff here. Fast trends. And on the, is that the, wow, let's see if we get a turnaround here on the, that's the 2 hour, that's the 4 hour. I'd like to see us make a double bottom here and turn around. The long term. The 15-minute looks good. The 5-minute looks good. 3-minute. And back to the 1 minute. So we're at 2307. Making a nice short-term move here to the upside. Okay, I'm going to cut this. I think cut this short for now. Come back. Let's leave it on the. Let's leave it on the 6 hour. So if you go back to the 6 hour, which we started on, you'll see that it barely shows, but there's your green bar buy on the 6 hour. So lots to learn. All right, I'm out.